Welcome to day 2 of our 7-day organization challenge. Today, we're transforming your closet into a color-coded haven that's not only visually pleasing but also enhances your mood and productivity. Did you know the colors in your closet can influence how you feel every day? Studies suggest that colors can impact your mood, making a well-organized, color-coded closet a powerful tool for starting your day right. Step 1. Empty your closet completely. This will give you a fresh start and allow you to see everything you own, making it easier to categorize. Step 2. Sort your clothes by color. Create separate piles for whites, blacks, blues, reds, and so on. This will not only make your closet look cohesive but also help you identify any gaps in your wardrobe. Step 3. Organize your clothes by shade, from light to dark. This simple step can make your closet feel more harmonious and help you find the perfect outfit faster. And there you have it, a beautifully organized, color-coded closet that's not only easy on the eyes but also uplifting to your spirit. Remember, organization isn't just about tidiness, it's about creating a space that supports your daily life and well-being. Enjoy your new closet and get ready for tomorrow's challenge. Don't forget to share your progress with us using #7dayorganizeechallenge. We can't wait to see your colorful transformations.